All right, today I have a Toyota Tacoma and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on a Toyota Tacoma. All right, so I'm going to show you how to open the hood as well as the safety latch. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm sitting inside of the Toyota Tacoma. Now, to open up the hood, I'm going to first make sure the vehicle is in park. I'm going to actually apply my parking brake. Pull that up, make sure the parking brake is engaged, and I'm on a flat surface on the street. Okay, so all that done, I'm going to turn the vehicle off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door. And when I have the door open, I'm going to look down here and you'll see that there is a lever. You see this right here? I'm going to take this. Let me get in close so you can see what it looks like. It shows a hood of a car. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this. And you hear that pop? Now, with the pop, I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. And in the front of the vehicle, I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to see there's a lever right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand in here, pull it over like that. Right there, you see that? And that is a safety latch. What I'm going to do is pull it like that, open it. The safety latch comes up. And then with this open right here, what I'm going to do is find the kickstand. You see that right there? I'm going to take this, pull it out, and then put it in place right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is put it in place right there. Bada boom, bada bang. And then be careful because this hood can get hot if you've been riding it for a while. Now the hood is open. All right, now to shut it is a very simple operation. You just simply go back to this hood. Don't grow up in it, bad place to be. Raise the hood up a little bit, put this back into place down there. This is the latch I was talking about right here. Just push this over. See that? I push that latch over. So get right here, get about halfway, and then just let it go. Boom, it's shut just like that. That's how you open and close the hood on a Toyota Tacoma. Thanks a lot for watching.